HughesNet Router Setup Guide. Open the package and ensure all components are present: the router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and Quick Start Guide. Plug the router into a power outlet using the provided adapter. Place the router near the modem in a central location for optimal Wi-Fi coverage. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the LAN port on the HughesNet modem. Plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into the WAN port on the router. Plug the router into a power outlet using the power adapter. Wait for the power indicator light on the router to turn solid, indicating it's powered up and ready. On your device, laptop, phone, or tablet, open the Wi-Fi settings. Locate the router's default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password, printed on the back or bottom of the router. Connect to the network using the password. Access the router settings by opening a browser and typing the IP address provided in the manual. For example, 192.168.0.1. Log in using the default admin credentials, also found on the router. Customize your network name, SSID, and password for security and ease of access. Open a browser and navigate to any website to confirm the internet is working. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.